Dear students, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Based on the time zone at present you are staying. Once again, I am Selvamani Krishnamurthy, your information technology teacher, who is sitting in front of me. So first of all, I welcome all of you for our YouTube channel. This is Java Guide video lesson number 7. In previous lesson, that is video lesson number 6, we studied text area. In this lesson, we are going to study about integer class. With the help of integer class, how we can convert string value into numerical value. In same way, how we can convert in opposite numerical value into string value. In addition to that, we will create one small program to explain or involving this integer class methods. As usual, I like to share my screen first. I hope my screen is visible to all. So, guide programming in Java guide video lesson number 7. So here we are going to study about integer mapper class. So normally int, if I say int, int, it is data type. Very beginning we studied, same thing. If I say integer, full form with I capital letter, that is called class, wrapper class. If I say int, small I, small n, small t, it is said to be one data type. If I say full form integer with a capital I, that is called as class. Class means it has some method. Integer class has so many methods. But we are not going to study all methods, only some of the methods. One is parseInt, another one is toString. ParseInt, toString. So why we need to study this parseInt and toString? See, the problem is whatever value we are extracting or retrieving from text field, it may be a JText field or JText area, is always string. Is always string. In similar way, values yet to be assigned to text field, it may be a text area, it may be a text field, should be string. That means text area as well as text field, you can type only string. You can extract only string. Am I right? But to make some calculations, string is not used. That string needs to be converted into numbers. Understand? That is why parseInt is a one method available under integer class. This parseInt method is used to convert string value to integer type. That means if I say number 12, 12 is one number. In similar way, if I say 1, 2, not as a 12. If I say 1, 2, this is called string. I hope you understand. If I say number 12, 12 is a number. If I say 1, 2 like this is called string. Good. In similar way, another method is that toString. From the name itself, we can easily understand. It is used to convert integer value to string types. That means if we want to convert 1 to as 12, you should proceed with parseInt. If you want to convert 12 into 1 to, you need to proceed with toString. Is it clear? 12 means number, 1, 2 means string. That you must understand. Then I can explain on small program this concept. Now we are going to create price calculator. This is the design view. We are having one form, J text field 1 for price per apple. Amount to be paid. Under this, we are having J text field 2. 1 dozen, 2 dozen, stop. These are 3 buttons. 2 label, 2 text field, 3 label button. First, let us see the output. Then you can easily understand. See the first output. Here, I will type price per apple. For example, price per apple, single apple is 12. I want to find out price of or amount yet to be paid for 1 dozen of apple. You know very well, 1 apple cost 12 rupees. 1 dozen means 12 apples I need. 12 multiplied by 12. The answer needs to be displayed in this text box to 144. If I click this button, 12 multiplied by 12, 144, that result should be displayed here. Am I right? In similar way, if I click here, 2 dozen. 2 dozen means what? 24. So 12 into 24, 288. That should be displayed here. This is what my aim. Is it clear? Good. The problem is, whatever we type in text field will be considered as string. I typed here number 1, 2. That will be considered as string 1, 2, not 12. This string cannot be multiplied by 12. 12 is a number, 1, 2 is a string. That means this 1, 2 string needs to be converted into one integer, that is 12. That is why we need integer class. Okay, we converted this 1, 2 as a 12. This 12 is multiplied by another 12. So 144 I got, no problem. This 144 is a number or integer number. That should be displayed into J text field 2 as a string. Am I right? So this number 144 needs to be converted into 144 as string. Then only we can display into text field 2. This is what our problem. See it here. That is why we are using integer parseInt to convert a string value to integer type. toString to convert an integer value to string type. See it here. So J text1 field should accept price of 1 apple. That means this should accept price of 1 apple. Fine. Next step is while clicking J button 1. That means while I'm clicking J button 1, this button, what needs to be done? J text field 2 should display price of 1 dozen apple. Here, 1 dozen apple, price of 1 dozen apple needs to be displayed. This is what my game do. To display price of 1 dozen apples, what are the things we need to do? First, we need to retrieve the value of J text field 1. This is J text field 1. We need to retrieve the value of J text field 1 using get text. This get text already we studied. Okay. Now, the text we received from text field 1 is string. That string needs to be, see the second one, just convert to number using integer.parseInt. That means the string retrieved from J text field 1 needs to be converted into number using integer.parseInt. And then multiply it by 12 because 1 dozen apple means 12. Now we are having one number. That number should be converted into string, toString. Why? Then only we can able to display here in the text field. What is the next stage? Display the result using setText. Already we know very well, setText is used to assign or display the value into text field. So these 5 steps we need to take. Retrieve the value of the text field 1 using getText, convert it into number using parseInt, multiply it by 12, convert the number into string using toString, and then display the result using setText. Am I right? Good. Third one. What will happen while clicking J button 2? This one. Same thing for J button 1. What is the only one difference? What is this? Multiply by 24. Because now we are having 2 dozen. Multiply by 24. Everything same. That's all. While clicking J button 3, this button. While clicking J button 3, application should end. That's very simple. Am I right? Good. So this is the program source code. 3 buttons are there. Button 1, button 2, button 3. In button 3, very simple. System.exit of 0. Very, very simple. Okay. In button 1, that means this button. What are the process involved? Retrieve the text from JText field 1, convert it into number. After that, multiply with 12, and then convert into string, and then display into JText field 2. These are the words need to involve. Okay, check the coding here. J button 1, J field 2 dot set text. It is want to assign everything bracket. We'll go for inner bracket numbers. This J text field 1 dot get text. Assume here we are giving 12. 12 means 1, 2. Assume this is 12 means 1, 2. Now 12 is available in 1, 2 is available in J text field 1. Get text. It returns 1, 2. It returns 1, 2. Here parseInt is there. This parseInt converts 1, 2 into 12. 1, 2 into 12. Here 12 is there. 12 multiplied by 12. It gives 144 as number. This toString converts 144 as 144 as a string. This toString converts 144 as string in the form of 144. After that, setText is there. J text field 2 dot set text of 144 in the form of string. That will be assigned here. Is it clear? Good. In same way here also. See it here while clicking J action J button 2. That means while clicking this button. Okay. The text available in J text field is 1, 2 as usual. This J text field 1 dot get text returns 1, 2 in the form of string. This parseInt convert the string 1, 2 as 12 number. 24 multiplied by 12. It gives 288 as number. Outside toString is there. toString converts 288 as 288 as a string. That string will be displayed into JText field 2. See it here. Is it clear? Good. The same thing I will demonstrate in front of you using Apache NetBeans so that you can easily understand. So I want to create a new project. Whenever you have to create a new project. Next, here I'm giving Java guide number 7. Don't forget, we need to deselect it. This is very, very important for guide programming. Finish. So now I need to add one frame. Here, right click on source package, new JFrame form. Here I can give it guys 7 FR or whatever name want you can give it. So one form is created. Good. Now I need to design. I need to design the form as it is. I need two label. One for price per apple. One for price per apple. Another label is for amount to be paid. So I need to go to label text to be paid. So to label over, better we can change the size so that it can look nice. Font. But I can proceed with 14. Good. Under this, I need J text field 1. J text field 1. This is text field to enter the amount. Here, whatever amount I enter, it should be displayed. It should allow to enter. But another text box, that is text field 2. This should not accept to enter, but it should display. Then what we have to do? Two things we have to do. See it here, enable should be false, editable should be false. I remove this one. Similarly, enable. It will not accept to enter. I can maximize and then check. Editable. I need to proceed enable. Here, remove. So that I will check. I put to text field. See it here. Here I can type. Here I cannot type. Why? Because editable false, enable also false. Good. In addition to that, I want to remove the text. The pin, I think it will be label. Here. That should be removed. Fine. So under this, I need 3 buttons. Button 1. This is for 1 dozen. One dozen. Another button. This is for 2 dozen. The text should be removed. 2 dozen. Third one for stop. I want to change the size, font size of the text. Made mistakes. Yeah. So better I can get 14. This much form I don't want. That's enough. Let us check. Now this is over. We need to go to source view. Before that, we can confirm everything displayed properly. Here I can type price per. Here I cannot type. This is not work. This I got to resize it because EN is missing. If I click stop, the program needs to close. I can make this number big. Okay, fine. Better I can write program for stop. That's very simple. We know very well. Many times we tried. That is system.exit. System.exit of 0. Okay, otherwise you can go and check the PPT. This one. System.exit of 0. Let us check this one. So if I click stop, the program will close. CTS. So it's working fine, no problem. Then I need to proceed with J button 1. The same command, same statement I need to type it here. What I have to type? J text field 2 dot set text. Now I am in J text field 1, J button 1. So J text field 1 dot set text of. Okay. Now integer dot toString open bracket. Then I need to type 12 because 1 doesn't mean 12. 12 star integer dot parseInt of. Okay. After that, I need to type J text field 1 dot J text field 1 dot get text. Okay. I maximize it. I will check at last semicolon. Okay. I hope you can understand. Anyway, I will teach you once again. This J text field 1 dot get text returns. If you type number 12, it will be considered as a 1, 2. This get text returns 1, 2. This parseInt converts 1 to as 12. 12 multiplied by 12 becomes 144. This 144 will be converted as 144 in the form of string. This string 144 will be assigned to or displayed into J text field 1. So this will be J text field 2. All right. This one. Let us check. Here I am typing number 12. Even though I am typing number 12, that will be considered as 1, 2. I am clicking 1 dozen. Here displaying 144. I hope this is clear. Okay. While clicking stop, that will be closed. Now, same thing I need to do for 2 dozen. Only small change. I just copy the same thing. Control C. Here I paste it for J field. J field. Here. J button 2. Okay. Instead of 12, it should be 24. Because now we are going to click J button 2 for 2 dozen. Let us check. I am typing number 12. If I click 1 dozen, I got 144. If I click 2 dozen, I got 240. Not only for 12, you can type whatever value. Assume price per apple is 10. If you click 1 dozen, we need 112. If you click 2 dozen, we need 240. At last, we can stop. I hope this is clear, all of you. Good. So now let us proceed with recap. Okay, good. So small recap. Value retrieved from text field is always string. That we must understand. Values to be assigned to the text field is also string. Integer is a one class. It has many methods. But in this program, we study only 2 methods. One is parseInt. It is used to convert string to integer. See, parseInt. toString. It is used to convert integer to string. toString means integer to string. Parse int means string to integer. That's all. Let us proceed with question bank. Each and everyone can try to answer the question. So number one, value retrieved from text field is always dash. What is the answer? Yeah, you are right. Answer is string. Try for second one. Value to be assigned to text field should be good. That also string. Dash is used to convert string to integer, string value to integer type. What is the answer? Yeah, right. Integer dot parseInt. Last one. Dash is used to convert integer value to string type. What is the answer? Yes, you are right. toString. Integer dot toString. Is it clear? Good. So I hope all of you enjoyed this lesson very well. Today I stopped here itself. In next lesson, let us study something more. Until then, thank you, student. Have a nice good day. Bye bye.